murderer, correct?
Yes.
And you committed a heinous crime.
Yeah, I did.
But are you telling the truth about what happened?
It's nothing to lose.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm nothing further.
Stephen Mansour.
Nothing to lose, right?
Yes.
Because you got LWAT. What does LWAT mean?
As far as I know, life without parole.
That's what it means, right? You're
Yes.
saying that's what you thought it meant?
Yes.
Does that mean you're not sure?
Until I see it in front of my face, I'm just going by what I'm told.
It was in front of your face. You were in this courtroom in front of this judge, Judge Cohen, weren't you?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
He explained it to you,
He sure did.
right?
He did.
So when you said you didn't even know that you were going to be admitting to all these other things the day that you were here for your plea, that was a lie to this jury, right?
No.
No?
No, I don't
You didn't
think so.
know ahead of the time.
I didn't know what.
You didn't. You just told us a few minutes ago that you didn't know you were going to be pleading to, I think you said, all this extra stuff.
Oh, you're talking about the 25 to life. Yeah. I knew it the day when it was read to me.
So you didn't know about any of that until this judge told you about that, Judge Cohen.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
About the 25 to life part, yeah.
Your Honor, I have a transcript of the defendant's plea and sentencing from July 7th of 2023. May it be marked, please, as People's Exhibit, I believe it's 276. Am I correct?
It is. Correct.
Twice a day. I'm correct.
It's just being marked right now.
This is unlike other transcripts.
I'm sorry?
Counsel asked, it's just being marked right now, and I just told him it's unlike other transcripts. This will be received.
No objection.
So in this case on July 7th, Judge Cohen, this judge right here sitting next to you, right?
Okay.
He was here, right?
Yes.
You were here, right?
Yes.
Your lawyer, Mr. Simran, was here.
Yes.
Mr. Levine was here.
Okay.
Miss Burke was here, right?
I think so.
I was here.
You were here.
Yeah. And the judge told you that his understanding was that Mr. Simran, your client, meaning you, wishes to plead guilty to all the charges and admit all the allegations and the special circumstances in this case. Remember that?
Okay.
You want to see it?
I believe you. I don't have to be the first time I've seen it.
Well, you were here. You don't have to see
Well, you asked me, did I want to see
You
it?
were here, right?
It's overruled.
You were here, weren't you?
I was here.
So this was all read to you. It's open court, just like we're sitting here today. There's a bunch of people in here, including Fabio's family, right?
It is.
Okay, so this wasn't new to you, right?
No, it's not new.
Okay. And you said, because the judge asked you correctly, is that correct? Is that what you wish to do, sir? And you said, what?
What does it say there?
No, I'm asking you, sir.
I don't remember. I'm going.
So the way this works is I ask the questions and you give the
Okay,
answer.
well, I don't know the answer because I might have said something else.
Oh, okay, so you don't remember what you said?
I'm pretty sure I said I do, or yes, or something like that. I affirmed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, there it is.
Remember that?
I do see it now. It's the first time I've seen this.
Again, you were here,
No,
right?
I was here. First time I've seen this
Asked and
paperwork.
answered, Your Honor.
It's overruled.
That's your words,
Yes.
right? Came out of your mouth.
You say so.
Oh, so you're saying maybe the court reporter took it down wrong? You didn't
Not
admit
saying
to
that.
this?
Not saying that at all.
This is going to go well.
I'm sorry, did you hear that?
I said this is going to go well. We're going to be here for days.
I don't know if I can object to that or not, but I don't want to be here for days.
That was an improper statement.
Sorry, Your Honor. Do you remember the judge reading to you the charges in the indictment, which you had also heard at your arraignment in Superior Court.
I'm sure he did, yeah.
Okay. And you remember being with me and your defense attorney in court after the grand jury indicted you in LA County, right? Years before. On the
Okay.
same charges,
Yes.
right? So you knew what all the charges were.
I knew what the charges were.
And you knew what all the allegations were.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
If they were read to me, I probably heard it.
Okay. You probably heard it. So you might not have been paying attention when the judges read you the charges?
Maybe not.
Oh, okay. Were you listening when this judge read to you, Judge Cohen read to you what you were pleading to?
That day, yes.
Okay. So you know that he read that the indictment charges you with, again, this had been read to you before, but on the day you pled in July of 23, count 1 with a violation of Penal Code Section 187, subsection A, murder in the first degree. You remember that, right?
Okay, yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And count 2, a violation of Penal Code Section 182, subsection A, conspiracy to commit murder, right? So you knew 187 was murder, right?
Okay.
You knew, is that yes?
Yes.
And you knew you were also charged with conspiracy to commit murder,
Yes.
okay? And you pled no contest, right?
Yes.
And then this judge reminded you that a plea of no contest is the same as a guilty plea. There's no difference. And he asked you if you understood, and you said yes, right?
I did.
And then he asked you, do you further admit the following special circumstances are true? That is, under Penal Code Section 190.2, subsection A, subsection 1, that you intentionally committed the murder for purposes of financial gain. Do you remember that?
I do.
And what did you say?
I do.
You said yes.
Okay. I affirmed.
And then the court also asked, do you admit the other special circumstance under Penal Code Section 190.2, subsection A, subsection 17, that you intentionally committed the murder by means of lying in wait. Do you remember that?
I do.
And what was your answer?
I think I said yes again.
Okay. And then the court also asked you, and these are questions, he's not telling you, he's asking you, do you further admit as to that count, the allegation under Penal Code Section 12022, subsection B, subsection 1, that you personally used a deadly weapon, to wit, a knife, in the commission of the offense? Do you remember that?
I don't. But I said yes to anything at that day.
Oh, okay.
So I probably said yes to everything, so I'm not going to deny that.
So here on page 6, here's what I just read you. That's all been highlighted.
Okay.
And then right here, down here, he asked if you also used a knife, and you said yes. Remember that?
Not really, but I'm going to say yes. I don't remember. I don't
So
remember.
in this case, you knew exactly what you were entering pleas to, because not only did Mr. Simran go over it with you, but this judge went over it with you while I was sitting right here.
Okay.
You remember that?
Okay.
Is that a yes?
Yeah. Sure.
Let's take our lunch and recess until 1:30. The admonition applies. You'll now discuss this case among yourselves. If anyone else will form or express any opinion until the cause is finally submitted to you. Have a good lunch. See you at 1:30.